The three basic necessities of life are number one, food, number two, clothes, number three, shelter. Clothes is one of our basic needs. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, insects, etc. Clothes are made of cloth. Cloth is also known as fabric. Fabric is made of fiber. It has been shown in the figure that we twist several strands of fiber to make yarn. Again, several strands of yarn are twisted to make fabric. Fabrics can be classified into two main categories, natural fibers and synthetic or man-made fibers. Natural fibers include animal fibers, plant fibers, and mineral fibers. Examples of plant fibers are cotton and jute. Examples of animal fibers are wool and silk. Asbestos is an example of mineral fiber.
Natural fibers are those fibers which are obtained from nature. On the other hand, synthetic or man-made fibers are those fibers which are made by humans through chemical synthesis. In the case of animal fibers, wool is obtained from the fleece or hair of sheep, goat, yak, etc. Whereas silk fiber comes from the cocoon of silkworms.
Next, why sheep, goat, yak, and some other animals have a thick coat of hair. There are many animals such as sheep, goat, yak, etc. that have a thick coat of hair on their body. Such animals generally live in cold climates. The thick coat of hairs traps a lot of air and keep them warm as air is a poor conductor of heat. It prevents the warmth of the body from escaping and also prevents the coldness of the surroundings from entering. So thick layer of hair over their body protects them from cold. Wool is derived from the fleece of such animals. The hairy skin of the sheep has two types of fibers. Number one, the coarse beard hair. Number two, the fine soft under hair close to the skin. The fine hair are used for making wool.
In this photograph, you can see that the sheep is having a thick coat of hairs. This is all hairs and hairs. These hairs protect the sheep from cold. You can also see that the fleece has two type of hairs. You can see that this type hair, this is the beard, and these hairs which are called coarse beard hair, these are not fine, these are rough in nature. On the other hand, we get wool fine which is available here and here, which is very much available next to the skin, which is used for making fine quality of wool.
Next, some breeds of sheep possess only fine under hair. Their parents are specially chosen to give birth to sheep which have only soft under hair. This process of selecting parents for obtaining special characters in their offspring is termed selective breeding. Several breeds of sheep are found in different parts of India. Lohi breed, which is found in Rajasthan and Punjab, provides us good quality wool. Rampur Bushier breed provides us brown fleece. We get carpet wool from Nalli breed, which is found in Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. Bakkarwal breed found in J&K provides us wool for shawls. Marwari breed provides us coarse wool. Patanwadi breed, which is found in Gujarat, provides us wool for hosiery. The fleece of sheep is not the only source of wool. The wool commonly available in the market is sheep wool. Yak wool is common in Tibet and Ladakh. Mohair is obtained from Angora goats found in hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir. Wool is also obtained from goat hair. The underfur of Kashmiri goat is soft. It is woven into fine shawls called pashmina shawls. The fur on the body of camels is also used as wool. Llama and alpaca found in South America also yield wool. From fibers to wool. For obtaining wool, sheep are reared. Their hair is cut and processed into wool. Rearing and breeding of sheep. Rearing of sheep means to look after the sheep by providing them food, shelter, and health care. Breeding is done to obtain animals with desired characters. The entire process of raising and breeding sheep to extract wool from their fleece, meat, and milk is known as sheep farming or sheep husbandry. Sheep are herbivores and prefer grass and leaves. Sheep also feed on a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, oil cakes, and minerals. In winter, sheep are kept indoors and fed on leaves, grain, and dry fodder.
In this photograph, you can see that a farmer is rearing sheep in his farm. A large number of sheep are present in his farm.
Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.